Hi, I'm Chief Joe Sanford. The mission of the Kirkland Fire Department is to save lives. To do this, we need healthy firefighters who are also emergency medical technicians to be able to reach you quickly when you need us most. The City Council has placed a measure on the November ballot that funds additional firefighter EMTs to improve response times for fire and emergency medical services, and allows us to seismically retrofit and modernize existing fire stations to protect firefighter health and safety. It also relocates and constructs a new Fire Station 27 east of I-405 in Totem Lake to improve response times in the north end. The City Council has asked me to explain how this ballot measure improves the health and safety of our firefighters by renovating existing fire stations 21 in Forbes Creek, 22 in Houghton, and 26 in Rose Hill. Firefighter cancer levels have risen in the last 30 years to the point it is now one of the leading causes of death. And these three stations, as well as Station 27 in Juanita, are vulnerable to collapsing in a seismic event. Station 27 and 22 were built in the 70s. Station 21 and Station 26 were built in the early 90s. None of these four stations meet critical infrastructure and National Fire Protection Association standards. Many people don't realize modern homes and buildings are furnished with materials made of petrochemicals, glues, and synthetics. A modern sofa is essentially solid gasoline. These modern furnishings release extremely toxic, carcinogenic smoke that cause cancer when they burn. These chemicals are absorbed into skin during fires and coat bunker gear that off-gases in the fire station. Diesel exhaust in our vehicle bays sends even more cancer-causing carcinogens into clean bunker gear, as well as the living, eating, working, and sleeping areas of the firefighters. Today, we now know a lot more about how to keep our firefighters safe, and this ballot measure would make critical changes necessary to reduce cancer rates. The measure would build separated areas into our fire stations that keep toxic chemicals isolated to the vehicle bays. Each vehicle would also have a source capture on the exhaust pipes catching the diesel fumes before they're released into the station. Each renovation would also include a negative pressure bunker gear storage room that ventilates outside of the station. And finally, each station would undergo extensive seismic retrofitting to ensure they will not collapse during most earthquakes. These investments will keep our firefighters, aid cars, and engines safe during catastrophic events so they can still get to you when you need them most. For additional information on the ballot measure, please visit the city's website.